Need to update your address with Western Union? Keeping your personal information current is important for account management and security. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally change your address in Western Union. To change your address, log in to your Western Union online account. Navigate to your Profile, Account Settings, or Personal Information section. Look for the field where your address is listed. There should be an Edit or Change option next to your address. You'll then enter your new address. For security purposes, Western Union may require you to verify this change, especially if it's a significant update. Finally, follow any verification steps, which might involve confirming details or sometimes even submitting proof of address. Once verified, your address will be updated for your Western Union account. And there you have it. Changing your address in Western Union is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.